Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h square minus 4 divided by h minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 1. So here we need to solve this problem for all the values of h. So the very first thing we are going to do is first you need to focus into the numerator term, and we rewrite this equation as in this form. This is h square minus 4, and we write this 4 as 2 square, and it is divided by h minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x square minus y square is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. According to this nice algebraic formula, we write the above equation as in this form. This is h square minus 2 square, and it will be written as h minus 2 times of h plus 2, and it is divided by h minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 1. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is h minus 2 is cancelled out by this is h minus 2, and after cancellation of these two terms we will get here h plus 2 is equals to 1. And now here our target is to find the values of h. So for this we move plus 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here 1 minus 2, and this implies that we will get the value of h is equals to minus 1. So here in this method we will get only one root of the given equation, and that is h is equals to minus 1. And now further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of h be the solution, or is this value of h be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value of h we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h square minus 4 divided by h minus 2 is equals to 1. So here we substitute the value of h is equals to minus 1 into the left hand side, and it will be written as in this form. This is h square, and the value of h is minus 1 square minus 4 times of h minus 2. The value of h is minus 1 minus 2 is equals to plus 1. And this implies that we have minus 1 square becomes plus 1, minus 4 divided by minus 1 minus 2 becomes here minus 3. And further in the next step we have 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 divided by minus 3 is equals to 1, and this implies that this and this term are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to 1. This shows that the above value of h is equals to minus 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we can solve this problem for second method, and for second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is h square minus 4 divided by h minus 2 is equals to 1. So this is our second method, and in second method we use another different technique to solve this problem. For this we move h minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as h square minus 4 is equals to h minus 2. And we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes h square minus 4 minus h plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we need a little bit more simplifications here, and this will be written as in this form. So we have this is h square minus h, and minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, you see here this equation will becomes quadratic equation in each variable, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. So here we use the factorization technique to solve or to make the factors of this equation. So here we break its middle term, and it will be written as h square, and we write this minus h as minus 2h plus h minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So if you see here, from first two terms we will take common h and we get the remaining values are h minus 2, and from here we get 1 and we get the remaining values are h minus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now again we take common h minus 2 from here and we get the remaining values are h plus 1, and this whole equation equals to 0. So we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write h minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write h plus 1 is equals to 0. And from here we easily get the value of h is equals to plus 2, and from here we easily get the value of h is equals to minus 1. So these are the two values of h which we get here in this method. And now here in the first method we already verified that the value of h is equals to minus 1 is already satisfied our given question statement, and here we just verify the second value of h, that is equals to 2. So for verification of this value of h, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h square minus 4 divided by h minus 2 is equals to 1. And here we substitute h is equals to 2 into the left hand side and we check its behavior, and when we put it here it will becomes 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2 is equals to 1. And this implies that we have 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2 equals to 1. So this implies that 0 over 0 form equals to 1. And you already know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form or undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value of h is equals to 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that h is equals to 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and here h is equals to minus 1 is already satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have there are only one solution of the given equation, and it is h is equals to minus 1. This is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.